Kairao MLA and PTA Chairman Laurembam Rameshwor emphasized the importance of unity among Meitei and Meitei Pangal community, stating that currently both the communities cannot reside in hill areas and urged to ignore any form of instigation. The statement was made during the inaugural function of the new building of Youth Guidance Club YGC Kairao Makting Mayay Laikai today. Speaking further, MLA Rameshwor emphasized the importance of establishing local clubs in every locality as incidents of extortions and gang activities increased in the state. He urged the public to inform local clubs or police if any organization impose monetary demands instead of hiding the information. He also condemned the two recent incidents that happened due to monetary demands. He maintained that the local clubs and the youths needed to stay vigilant to tackle such problems and urged the public to combat drug-related activities together.
Club sungje am linga mathong ta ga hajta liba kran chi apun geng gi thok subai ta punina ba aduna aina mai ke na majing hajen ba ma kali gumba sa da to ma lu ka si ge demand company ke kem thong la ga lo san gi mu ta ko club singa sha ka wi ba na police station da ko wi ba isa mu ta bo ra ti da kan da ko ko khut ngai da na apoi pun da ko do sok ka mu na bhai ta ba ka da ko si ma club singa da ke lo bi ya ji mai thon da ge ko ka ka li ma nung da da yo jaga kha le ma ro na ko ka mu muslim sa ri am yo ba ka ana si ma le ni mi kha ta am la kha di ji am to ko na club singa am na active boy le ni mai ta ma ro na ha sin na ta Meitei amadi Meitei Pangal gi lamje asli mati ke ba tab deli hakta ne ba ta ko je ya musina le dum change sida kana go khar ge higai wa haje ko ko masen musen da tab sima thadok si takwa lamda wo ja ga do ko ya musina sa ko ma mathok ta ga ji ma nising jabane